Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa. Today I am sharing an album for my mini Monday album series that I have going on. So for this one, we are using ScrapDiva Designs Suitcase Shadow Box slash mini album, because you can make it into a mini album. And I've seen a few and lots of fun different ways that it's been put together. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to show you how I'm putting it together. I've already got the cover done because it's really like, I don't think I need to explain it too much, but I took the centerpiece here and I cut it out in this turquoise aqua looking paper. And then I did cut out it comes with two pieces. Let me see. This one we'll cut out the outline, as you can see here. And then this one, the second piece here, will cut out the entire suitcase part with the inside included. So I've gone ahead and cut them all out. And then what I did was I took one of the acetate sheet. These are the Obed Marshall acetate sheets from American Crafts, which I don't think they're making them anymore. I don't think they're doing his paper line anymore, which sucks because he had really cute ones that I've been hoarding because I love the colors, were bright and pretty. And so what I did was I took the outline and I stitched the acetate to one side, and on the inside all I did was glue it down. And I had the little ledge because when you cut out where is it at, this piece here, these little ledges is what you're going to attach your pieces to. So that's all glued down, and here is my box now, or my album cover, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I cut another piece of this in the regular printed paper, and I ended up cutting it out, as you can see, and I just trimmed off both sides. And then I ran a line across. I put it into my what is it, oh my gosh, my Martha Stewart scoreboard, and I just did about 1/8 of an inch in, and then I folded it. And these are going to be small just because they're my initial ones. And then the next one, I cut a second piece out with this printed paper, and I'm going to glue it down to the middle like this, and they're going to go up a little bit higher, but that's okay because I'm going to take my pages that I've already cut out here and I'm going to glue them onto it. So you guys, I think you guys have an idea of how this goes. So I've glued the first piece down here, as you can see, and then I'm going to take this next piece and I'm going to glue it down as well. And for this one, I just kind of went in a little bit more just so that I can have my pieces there align nicely in the middle there. So you're going to do the same. Like, you see how it measures the inside. You're just going to score it where you find, I think this is like maybe 1/2 inch in, and it leaves this tiny little border. So you have your pieces like this. Now it looks a little bit weird just because I haven't glued the paper down, but once you glue the paper down, these are going to be glued inside the album sheets. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to glue it here first, and then I'm going to bring this one and glue it down like that. So here I have the pages glued down, 2 of the pages. I'm going to do a little time lapse and I'll show you guys how I did it. It is a little time consuming, but it's a quick make once you glue it down and you get going. Now we have our album all put together, and it's just time to embellish and make something adorable. So I finished up the album. This is the back and here's the front. Oh my gosh, I love the way it turned out. So what I decided to do was add the little straps to be able to add these little Velcro tabs, which are from Happy Crafter's shop. She had the color ones, which I love because they match the paper. And I just added this little embellished piece in the front. I bought these off of, oh gosh, I found they were from last year. Oh, it is Carolina Crafts on Etsy, but I think she had them on her IG shop or IG. Well, I can't remember if she has 2 pages or not, but that's where I picked them up. I'm pretty sure. And then I added just stickers and some cutouts. So cute. I love it. Okay, so then you open it up and it's embellished for your pictures. I did leave space underneath the word so that you could add your picture. And I decided to just make them to where they're all this way instead of flipping it around and going that way. I think it just makes it easier. And I used some of the leftover pieces in there. And I did add every single one of the little handles. It has a piece, like a different color, as you can see, so that it gets sturdy and it doesn't feel so like thin. But oh, I love it. It's so cute. I kept it simple, I think, but it's more for pictures. On this one, I added this cute pull-out tag, and then I need to add a charm. I just haven't done that, but I'm going to add a little charm. And then over here, I left this little frame open so you could stick a picture in the back, and I fussy cut out the globe out of one of the cut-aparts. So cute. And then this one here, I decided to do like a little pull-out tab, and I stitched on the little ticket there that comes with the ephemera. Cute. And I love the back that you can see through. I didn't add any glue in here. I just glued them to the top and the bottom there so that you wouldn't see anything sticking. The only one is this one over here on the white, but I'm okay with that because it's the cover and I needed to add something. I mean, I didn't have to add something. It would have been cute just by itself, but how adorable. I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is such a quick album to make. Look at that. So cute. And I was thinking, Erica has her box maker. I thought you could also do it like this and make a box and make it wider. So I think I'm going to try that next. But anyways, this is my Monday mini album. I hope you guys like it. Head over to ScrapDivaDesigns.com. It's available. Don't forget to use my discount code MWalker10. And definitely check out the hashtag ScrapDiva Designs because everybody's creating such beautiful projects. I can't, like, oh my gosh, I can't. Anyways, thank you so much for following along on my little series here. I absolutely appreciate it. And stay tuned for next week. Bye.